Core system libraries failing because of the Microsoft OLED Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist, and I'll show you exactly how to restore your stability. For professional-grade Microsoft OLED library maintenance, follow the diagnostic link in the description. This is the Microsoft OLED library, the OLE DB provider for Microsoft SQL Server Analysis Services. It is a critical requirement for Excel PowerPivot and Enterprise BI, business intelligence tools. If corrupted, Excel will crash when attempting to refresh data from an external SQL source, reporting that the analysis services provider is not registered. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. When a core file like Microsoft OLED Library DLL is missing, it's best to let Windows perform a self-repair. Access an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scan now to synchronize and restore any damaged or missing system-level files. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Microsoft OLED library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. A restart won't fix a broken registry pointer, so follow these steps to manually register the file now. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32 followed by your file name causing the error, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, even with the file in the correct folder, a missing registry pointer prevents the loader from recognizing it. This step manually establishes that critical system reference. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. If you're attempting to register Microsoft OLED Library DLL yourself, be aware that manual file placement frequently leads to severe software layer conflicts and long-term data corruption. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. If you're addressing Microsoft OLED library inconsistencies or system resource gaps, the link below provides informational maintenance resources. I'm Sophie Chen. If we successfully restored Microsoft OLED library functionality for you today, liking this video helps other users find this solution. Subscribe for professional tech support